Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So a while back I bought a 50 euro phone from DOOGEE. The name is, yeah, well, pretty doggy. Let's say it's Doogee, yeah, it's pretty dodgy. So the phone, yeah, was 50 euro. I can't really complain here so much about it. So I can't really expect so much out of it. But is it a device that you can use it daily? Well, I will say directly that no. Here is the box even, and even here on the box it doesn't say the specs of the device. It says only the model, but there's no specs about the device. And another good thing about it is, yeah, it comes with a silicone cover, which is nice to see. And then you have micro USB and wall charger as well, which, yeah, it's the full package right there. So I did an unboxing of this device already, and I was supposed to do a full review of the device, but well, using it, or at least trying to use it for daily use, then yeah, I couldn't really do it. And here on the screen as well, there is a screen protector, and that's also nice to see. On the back, yeah, it's fully plastic. There are like 3 cameras here, but it's pretty damn bad. Let me show you here. Look how laggy it is. Like, that's a camera from 2010, 2011. And let's go video mode. And the device is also so laggy, so using it daily, well, forget about it. Just, how is this 3 cameras on the back? Not even gonna talk about the camera, because the camera is just horrendous. Yeah, you can use this device to receive some calls, or maybe to use like Waze. To use this device as a GPS, it might work or it might do the job, but it's a 50 euro device. So yeah, you have to take that in mind, that you're gonna pay 50 euro for a GPS device, because other than that, you see, it's so laggy when opening um, Waze. Let's write here something. Yeah, this is just really not usable, when you're in the car and you try to do something fast, then you see this is really not fast. Sure, the design of the device, it's all good. Even the materials of it, it's all good. It's all plastic. I'm not even saying anything about it, but the specs that are on this device is just bad. Yeah, you see, it's man, if just press enter, go. I mean, it will be usable as a GPS device, but not more than that. Let's try to zoom. If you see, even the zoom is kind of sluggish, but that will be usable. Let's say it like that. And even the screen, it's pretty okay. The screen to body ratio, it's more than okay. It's all fine. Let's see here the camera on the front. If the cameras on the back were bad, then this will not be good. But well, saying like that, I mean, the camera on the front is acceptable. Camera on the front is acceptable, but not more than that. The battery was at 100%. I did some updates, 2 or 3 updates, and in like 20 minutes, half an hour, the battery went to like 20%. So yeah, forget about having a full day of battery of this device. And even the Android version is not even that bad. You have what is it? You have Android version 10. And another big problem of it, you see, the display is pretty big. But if you go to YouTube, for example, then the resolution of the videos that you see, it's pretty garbage. Oh my god, you see so how much time it takes? This is really unacceptable. Let's go here. It's a 4K trailer. I'm not gonna go into 4K trailer because I might get some copyright. Let's go into something of mine. Oh, it was there at the top. Let's go into the video. This video was at 1440p that I uploaded. Come on. You press, it doesn't press. Yeah, ad. Okay, let's skip the ad. So far, let me lower the volume. So far it's working okay. You can see, you can scroll down, you can see other videos. What's the resolution that we're playing at? Quality. And maximum it's 720p. I remember, I think before some updates, the maximum was for 480p. Now it's 720p, but still, this screen is big. Why only 720p? Let's rotate it. Come on. Yeah, take some time. Let's skip a little bit. It's just even for videos, it's not that good. But now that I'm looking, yeah, the video quality, it's all right. Let's say it like that. It's all right. But previously, I do remember. Look how laggy it is. My video was not laggy like that. This is just, yeah. Yeah, look, you see how laggy was it? See what I'm saying? It looks like it's a great device. Now the battery is not even that bad. It was like at 41% and now it's at 40%. But it looks like a nice device, a good device, a big device. But then in the end, the specs are pretty bad. I will say that for 50 euros, then buy a used phone from like 2-3 years ago. I bought it from my own money. If it's not much, it's 50 euros. I know from 50 euros you can't really complain because it's 50 euros and the device was new 50 euros. But what's the point? Then it's better than to pay 50 euros more and then you buy a decent device and not something like this. Look, it's 72 euros now on Amazon, but I bought it from Banggood, I think, and it was 50 something euros. But look, the device, it looks alright on the pages, you know? Look, even the back, it looks everything good. And what's the specs? 652 display, 13 megapixel AI triple rear camera. Wow! 5 megapixel front camera, 4350 milliampere big battery, which I doubt that this battery is 4000, but it might be. But from what I used it was really poor. 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of internal memory. Which, about the 13 megapixel camera, it's true. Let's go again into the camera settings. If this device has a 2 gigabytes RAM, then I don't really know, because it's really slow. Even when you scroll, can I scroll here? I guess I can scroll. So you see here, picture size 13 megapixels. So yeah, the 13 megapixels are really there, but this quality is bad. How can look? This is unusable. You see how slow it is? On this channel, I always try to show only cool gadgets. Even if some company comes to me and says, we have here a device, do you want to review it on your channel? Most of the times I try firstly to look at what device I'm going to review, and I always try to review only good devices, only devices that I see myself using. And this device, I'm not seeing myself using it. I mean, on Facebook Gaming here, it's doing alright job. What's the resolution that we can go here on Facebook Gaming? I pressed on the video. So it's playing alright. Settings. Come on. Settings. Open the settings, man. You see here is also 720p maximum, which, yeah, it's alright for daily use. I would say spend your money somewhere else. I know I trolled it a bit dodgy, but it's really, yeah, a dodgy device. It's a cheap device which doesn't really do the job correctly. Let's end it like this. The looks of the device, it's alright. The display size, it's alright. But when it comes down to specs, just forget about the device. These days, everyone wants to make pictures, everyone wants to make selfies. Yeah, how are you gonna make pictures with this? Let me make you here a picture of my bike, and I'm gonna upload them after this. Look, even taking the picture, it's taking so long. Look, I took the picture, but I saw there it stayed a lot. Let me take another picture here. Look how much it's processing. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Optically, it's an okay device for 50 euros, yeah. But practically, I think I said it already so many times, but forget about this device. Just spend your money somewhere else, because you're gonna get really, really triggered with this device. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I know this video was a little long, but I really wanted to make a end video to this device and to spare you some money as well. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Till the next one.